Hello, hi, this is Nicole Norder from Suds and Skin Boutique and the Handmade Cosmetic Lady here on the YouTube channel. So today I'm going to cut the Christmas Grinch soap, which is a hot process. So first started with a cold process, and then I had to do hot process instead of cold process because of the acceleration of my soap and because of the ricening of the fragrance that I use. However, the soap is great. So I am showing you one of my customers that came in 2 years or 4 years ago, I think, and she purchased some of the Christmas soap. So it just kind of bring me back some good memories when she got all these juicy soap from Suds and Skin. And she is one of our loyal customers that purchase our product in our store. Yes, 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 yes. So let's go back to regular programming. So of course, my fabulous soap cutter pro, I am over here tuning it up, just waiting for all the guitar to just kind of function just the way I want it to function. Okay, so I'm not going to over tighten it. I was trying to make sure all the keys are leveled, but sometimes you cannot get all the keys leveled because you might pop a string and you don't want to do that. So here we go. Look at that beautiful design. Of course, the soap came out fantastically, and I am just enjoying this cutter. Oh yeah. Smooth like butter. And look at this soap with all the coconut milk that's in there, the yogurt that's in there, the goat milk that's in there. I guess some people will call it what? Triple milk soap or whatever, but I'm not going to call it triple milk soap. Even though I have all those great fantastic ingredients in there that moisturize the skin and cleanse the skin and help the dehydration of the skin and won't dry the skin out. My main goal was the Grinch, okay? The Grinch that came to stole my soap idea on Christmas, and that's the reason why it's called the Grinch. However, it is loaded with pumpkin spice and a lot of other flavors. And I'm not going to really talk about my scents because I mix at least 4 different scents when I'm making my soap. So I don't stick to the plain Jane because I'm not a plain Jane type of person. So I made approximately 4 pounds of each loaf, and I am going to cut them, and it will approximately give you 6.5 ounces of soap. And of course, because I cut them with my 1.75% soap cutter, it gives me some 2-inch wide bar. And is that the width or the depth? I think that's the width. That's the depth. No, not the depth. It gives me 2 inches or 1.75 inches. I keep messing up on that, guys. You guys do the math, okay? Inches, and approximately around 6.7 or 5.7 ounces. So of course, once the water is dried out of each bar, then I can get a total of what the ounces would be. And of course, if you see me over there cleaning it off, making sure the soap goes in there, it is just so beautiful. These silicone molds are one of my second favorite, but they don't give me that much. I have approximately around 10 of them from Essential Depot. So if you want to know more about those silicone molds, you can go to essentialdepot.com. That's essentialdepot.com to know more about these silicone molds. They are great. I don't have to cover too much of them when I'm doing my hot process. So they're really good for my glycerine soaps and my hot process soap. And also they're good for my cold process soap. But I have other equipments that I also use to help me with my other soapy shaping ideas. So getting ready now to put all the soap together. I think I have there's another loaf that I need to cut up, getting everything together. One thing I like about making soap is the therapy part of when you getting ready to cut your soap with a good mechanical soap professional cutter. And this one, of course, I've said it more than one time, is from Croatia. And I am just so happy and, just really happy for this cutter. I had my first cutter that I had before was from Brambleberry, and that's approximately 16 years ago. And it was a wooden cutter, and one day it just broke on me while I was cutting soap, and I was like, that's it. I am done. I am over. I need to get me a better soap cutter. So if you're looking for like a soap cutter for beginner and you want to go to brambleberry.com and you're not in the professional industry of making soap, hey, Brambleberry is approximately around $280 something. However, mines were designed specifically for my company and I'm enjoying every bit of it. So I think basically it is cleanup time. So I'm using the alcohol to clean up all that soap off my table, getting ready to cut another soap that is right in front of me, which is the other soap. So these are some products, guys, that we have here. We are a hair care professional brand, and of course we are a skincare professional brand products. These are some of the products that we have in our boutique here in the Suitland, Maryland area in the United States of America. And our Dead Sea Mud is one of a kind. Our tonic water is one of a kind. And our body butters and beard oil are one of a kind. So we have a lot of products in our store. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, if you want to subscribe, please subscribe to our channel if you free to do so. Don't forget click the notification button, and if you like me, yes, me and me, give me a thumbs up, and if you don't like me, thumbs down.